Directive effect of substituent on electrophilic substitution reactions. Up till now, if you have seen my all videos which were on electrophilic substitution reaction, aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions, which are the common reactions of aromatic compounds, then you will come to know that when we do electrophilic substitution reactions, including nitration reaction, sulfonation reaction, halogenation reaction, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation, all these are the common reactions of benzene ring or the aromatic ring. Then, if you consider a benzene ring, there are all 6 hydrogen present on each carbon which are equivalent. That means any one of these 6 hydrogens you can replace with the incoming electrophile. There is no problem because these are equivalent hydrogen. But when a functional group is present, already group is present on the benzene ring in substituted benzene, then these hydrogens, now there are 5 hydrogens present on the benzene ring. These 5 hydrogens are not equivalent. These 2 hydrogens are equivalent, these 2 hydrogens are equivalent, and this is different. So these 2 hydrogens are present at ortho position. So these are the ortho position. So these 2 hydrogens which are equivalent is called meta position, and this hydrogen, the only hydrogen which is present at para position. Now see, these 2 hydrogens, ortho hydrogens having 1-2 relationship, means with the group which is present on the benzene ring. Meta hydrogen having 1-3 relationship, and para hydrogen having 1-4 relationship. So when the incoming electrophile coming at carbon number 2 or 6 which are equivalent position, we get a ortho substituted product. And when the incoming electrophile is coming at 3 and 5th position or 3 and 5th position, we get meta substituted product. And if 4th hydrogen, I mean the group, the hydrogen present at the 4th carbon, which is a para hydrogen, which is a para position, if replaced by the incoming electrophile, we get the para substituted product. That means there are 3 possibilities now. In substituted benzene, we get ortho, we get meta, and we get para. But this is not actually the fact. The substituents or the group which are already present actually either giving ortho-para substituted product or meta substituted product. So all functional groups we have to divide into 2 categories, 2 classes. One is ortho-para directing group. That means the group which is already present will direct incoming electrophile, will ask incoming electrophile to go at ortho and para positions. Always ortho and para substituted products are together. I mean we get ortho and para substituted product. That groups are called actually ortho para director or ortho para directing group. The list is given here. Or the group are actually which are directing incoming electrophile, which are asking incoming electrophile to go at meta position, are called actually meta directing group or meta director. Now see, you observe all these examples, ortho para directing group and meta directing group. There is a trick. What is that trick? You just find out the atom which is directly attached to the benzene ring. I underline that atom which is directly attached to the benzene ring. This bond means attached to the benzene ring. If I underline this atom, except these, what is common? You observe one common thing, that the atom which is directly attached to the benzene ring having at least a lone pair of electron, except alkyl groups. So that means we can make the common conclusion that the ortho-para directing group we can recognize if the group having the atom which is directly attached to the benzene ring is at least having one lone pair are actually, or that group is ortho-para directing group. This is common, or we can draw this conclusion. Except alkyl group, all alkyl group, that may be methyl, that may be ethyl, isopropyl and so on. All alkyl groups, if G is alkyl group, then that is ortho-para director. That is ortho-para director. So this is a G and this is a G. What is important here? In ortho-para director, lone pair is present on nitrogen or oxygen. That is another conclusion, or halogen. So if you observe the atom, you can easily predict the position of incoming electrophile. You will get always ortho and para product where the incoming electrophile will attach at ortho and para position, means at second and fourth position. Now in case of meta-directing group, if you observe, the atom which is directly attached to the benzene ring is either having complete positive charge or partial positive charge, and which is actually either carbon or nitrogen or sulfur. You just remember, if this kind of group is already present on the benzene ring, so you can predict the product. Incoming electrophile will definitely go at the third position from this group. That means it will direct incoming electrophile towards the meta position. So these groups are called meta director. Now we are going to discuss why ortho-para directing groups are actually ortho-para director. To find out the answer, or to provide explanation for ortho-para directors, we have to take the help of two things. One is resonance and another is stability of reactive intermediate. Means when electrophile attacks, in the first step there is a formation of carbocation, which is a reactive intermediate during this reaction. So we have to consider the stability of that reactive intermediate to provide explanation for ortho-para directors or ortho-para directing group. I have taken here group, means at least a lone pair of electron present on the atom which is directly attached to the benzene ring. First of all, we'll see the resonance. You simply write down the resonating structures. Here general structures I have considered. G means a general group. What is its qualification? There is a lone pair of electron present on the atom which is directly attached to the benzene ring. Now, if you see here, if you draw resonating structures, this is resonance hybrid, where negative charge develops at ortho and para position. Similarly, I have taken here one example where OH is ortho-para directing group. You will get the similar kind of structures. For another group, you can practice at your home or in your book, that you take all groups one by one and try these resonating structures. You will get this kind of resonance hybrid for all groups which are ortho-para directors. Now you can see easily here, at ortho position there is a negative charge and para position there is a negative charge. If electrophile is coming for attack, electrophile is electron deficient, it will select the position where the electron density is more. And it is obvious from this resonance hybrid that at ortho position and para position electron density is more. So this electrophile obviously will go there for attack, because these are the electron rich position as compared to meta, and hence from the resonance it is clear that the electrophile will go at ortho and para position. Now we are going to discuss another factor, that is stability of reactive intermediate. First of all, consider ortho attack. So for ortho attack, when electrophile comes, if you remember our general mechanism of electrophilic substitution reaction. This is our first step. So if this incoming electrophile coming here at the ortho position, we have to remove this bond outside. So this bond is removed outside. This bond is removed outside to join incoming electrophile. So if this is joining incoming electrophile, the positive charge will develop here at this carbon. Now this intermediate, which is formed after the attack of an incoming electrophile, we get different or this particularly this gives two different resonance or resonating structures. So first of all, this one, by moving adjacent pi bond here in between these two carbons, so this pi bond, so this positive charge is delocalized from this carbon to this carbon. Now similarly, you can move the adjacent pi bond here in between these two carbons. So the positive charge is delocalized from this carbon to this carbon. One more structure is possible from this structure number 1 by providing a lone pair of this atom of this group present, and you get here this structure. You watch this structure which I have kept in the box, which is more stable. Why this is more stable? Because all atoms, you can see, have an octet complete. So you can see here there is an octet for all atoms. So if this, because of this is a more stable structure, means it contributes more, and we get 4 resonating structures for ortho attack. Similarly, if you consider meta attack, you have to remove this bond outside at meta position, means this bond you have to remove outside at meta position, and you see positive charge develops here. So we get, by just moving adjacent pi bond, we get 3 different resonating structures, but this kind of more stable resonating structure is not observed for meta attack. And here after meta attack we get only 3 resonating structures. We have mentioned earlier, more number of resonating structures means more stable the cation or more stable reactive intermediate. So in this case we get 4 resonating structure. In this case we get only 3 resonating structures, and even there is no formation of more stable resonating structure. That means meta attack is now ignored. Now you can consider the similar attack at para position by removing this bond outside at para position to join incoming electrophile. You can draw different resonating structures by just moving adjacent pi bond or a lone pair present on this atom. So similar kind of more stable structure generates here for even para attack. Beware, all atoms having 8 electrons, means octet. So because of this is more stable structure, and even we get 4 resonating structure. So as compared to meta attack, for para attack also there are 4 resonating structure as well as 1 more stable structure observed for ortho and para attacks. So from this explanation it is clear that the incoming electrophile will go at ortho and para position, because in that case if you observe the activation energy, that will be lowered because of this more stable resonating structure. And if activation energy is lowered, rate of reaction will be more. So if rate of reaction will be more, that is preferred. So these are the factors which we have to consider why certain groups are ortho para director. And as I mentioned here, if the activation energy is lower, rate of reaction will be more. That means these ortho para directors are also called activating groups, because they are actually increasing the rate of reaction. If the group increasing the rate of reaction for electrophilic substitution reaction, then these groups are called activating groups. So ortho para directors are also called activating group, except halogens. Halogen is not activating group because of its more electronegativity and stronger minus I effect. So inductive effect is here more powerful in case of halogen as compared to resonance effect, and because of that rate of reaction lowered, but still halogens are orthopara director because of resonance, and hence halogens are deactivating group. Rate of reaction is decreased in case of halogens, but in case of all other orthopara directing groups, rate of reaction is more because of lower in activation energy, and they are called activators. So you remember very well, all orthopara directors except halogens are activating groups, and halogens are deactivating group in spite of they are orthopara directors. So this is the explanation for orthopara directors.